Alright guys, so this video is in response to some of the comments in my last video. Some people wanted an explanation of the installation of this Amazon T-Sport fairing on a Sportster. Alright, so first off, what everybody needs to know is that this bike in particular is a 2011 Sportster 1248. So the installation process was very tedious, and it was not complete straight up bolt on. It does not fit directly to this bike. But first we'll go in and I'll show you right here. I got the headlight already loosened. The headlight, you bring it down, and this is the bottom mounting point for it. Now you got a headlight bolt that comes from the bottom here to the lower triple and comes to the top. Now I had to go to the hardware store and get a longer one because the stock one was not long enough, because I had to put a spacer in right here, because with this fairing on, it actually would not clear the turn signals. It would be lower. It'd be like right here. So I had to put a spacer in to clear the turn signals. And then some other hardware, some washers or whatnot, just to make sure everything fit tight. Now, if you get the actual full kit, you will get an extension, a headlight block extension. See how it's got more space right here? The stock one is not that big, so the headlight sits back farther. If you don't have the extension block, your headlight will not sit out flush with the fairing. So I suggest you get the one that's a full kit, or you can buy the blocks separate. Now, another thing is on this bike I have 14-inch apes that came on it because I got it used. So the way I want them positioned is further out in front of me. So I pushed them up. So with having to do that, my windshield is not flush with the actual fairing. As you can see, there's a pretty big gap on both sides because I wanted everything to match up identical, even though it wasn't completely correct. It still looks good. Here, let me put this back up. It still looks good, but it's just not completely correct. Another thing is given that this is a Sportster 48, the top triple is different. You don't have your regular two riser bolts that go directly into the triple down there. This bar mount is molded into the top triple. So with that, I actually had to brace the top of the fairing with zip ties right here on both sides right here. And it works. It is bootleg, but it works. And it sits right. You know, it's not really, as you can tell, it's not going anywhere. Nothing's moving. It's down pretty solid, but it's just not right. Now, if you have another model Sportster, you'll probably have the regular bolts coming, the riser bolts coming off the triple, and you can actually use this top bracket that it came with to slide right up under them bolts, you know, like this. Slide right up under the bolts right there. Be right there. If you have that set up. I don't know if it's just specific for 48s or what. But yeah, it still looks pretty good. I like it. But I'm torn between it because actually with this having to be like this, and I don't want to pull the bars back. When on highway speeds, I think I get a wind buffering wobble because the windshield is more straight up and down instead of back like it's supposed to be. So I'll probably end up taking it off pretty soon and just rocking it naked on the front. I may just go with a whole different fairing, I'm not sure, or just leave it naked. But for the meantime, it looks pretty good. It looks badass to me. I get compliments about it. It looks clean. But yeah, this is just a explanation of how you can mount it, install it on a Sportster. I think it actually is made for like a Dyna, but you can put it on a Sportster, you know, whichever way, you know, you feel is right for your bike. It might even, I think it has, yeah, it has something right here for a possible quick release. I don't know, I'm not exactly sure, but you know, just take what you need out of this video and see if you can do it yourself. I'll post a link for the actual fairing from Amazon, again, like I did in my last video, on this video, so you can pick it up. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got some good info from it, and stay safe out there.